All right, folks. Ever felt like being a good, caring person is slowly turning you into a burnt-out husk? Welcome to the human giver syndrome, an invisible epidemic where some of us are just expected to give endlessly. The problem isn't your kind heart, it's the missing boundaries. Trying to care about everything taxes your energy like apps draining a phone. Understanding this cost is step one to getting your life back. Deep caring doesn't mean caring about everything. Strategic compassion is smarter. We research self-care, but then forget to actually rest or just say no. If you care about everything, you're effectively caring about nothing with real quality. Your body is smarter than you think. Those headaches, the fatigue, bad sleep, that's your body screaming. Constant caring activates your stress response. Cortisol and adrenaline flood your system, built for emergencies, not everyday life. For many of us, this alarm never switches off, weakening your immune system and messing with your sleep. Anxiety, tense shoulders, racing thoughts, not flaws, just your body reacting to the invisible weight of caring for everyone. Your body tells you you're overloaded long before your brain admits it. We charge phones daily, but ignore our own depleting batteries. Compassion fatigue isn't just a fancy term. It's when your empathy bank account goes completely bust. Our emotional capacity isn't endless. Each time you absorb someone's pain, you withdraw. Without deposits, self-care, boundaries, you hit emotional bankruptcy. The warning sign? Numbness towards loved ones. This doesn't just hurt you, it stops you from truly being there for the people who matter. Emotional debt is the worst kind. You lose empathy, joy, and purpose. Here's the twist. The very behaviors you think strengthen relationships often sabotage them. Care without boundaries creates dysfunction, not closeness. One person overgives, leading to resentment for them and dependency suffocation for others. This traps both. True connection needs balance, not one-sided sacrifice. The martyr complex isn't virtuous, it's a relationship killer. Nobody wants to be a project. What if your biggest professional strength is actually destroying your career? For many, the empathy that draws them to work leads to burnout. Caring jobs involve emotional labor, managing emotions. This invisible work isn't in job descriptions, but causes huge burnout. Recognizing this isn't caring less, it's strategic care for career longevity. Your performance drops when you're emotionally depleted, even if you're working harder. Science tells us compassion and empathy are different. This can save you. Empathic distress, feeling others' pain personally, leads to burnout. Compassion, recognizing suffering while staying stable to help, sustains you. You can care deeply without absorbing emotions. The most caring people are present without getting overwhelmed. Boundaries, they're not selfish, they're essential. Distinguish support, empowering assistance, from rescue, taking over problems not yours. Setting boundaries isn't caring less, it's caring more effectively. The most powerful word for a caregiver isn't yes. It's a clear no that makes space for a meaningful yes to what truly matters. Treat your caring capacity like a precious investment. Strategic caring means choosing where your attention makes a real difference. Use 3 circles. Inner, your health, closest relationships, main work. Middle, important but less essential. Outer, things you care about but can't impact. This prioritizes your finite energy. Caring about fewer things doesn't mean you care less. It means you care deeply enough to make a difference. The most selfless thing you can do is become radically self-full. Building resilience isn't luxury, it's vital. Resilience isn't toughness, it's replenishing practices. 3 key ones: completing the stress cycle, movement, expression, connection, mindful self-compassion, and intentional joy. These are your oxygen. You can't pour from an empty cup. The path forward, from depletion to abundance. Sustainable caring means shifting from giving until empty to creating more energy than you expend. Care from your overflow, not reserves. This changes everything you offer. Presence, creativity, connection, instead of resentment and exhaustion. The world doesn't need martyrs who break. It needs wholehearted people who know how to care deeply while staying fully alive. That's revolutionary.